Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'll show you how to customize Samsung phone, make your own volume panel colors, change the lighting effect, shape and color of the volume panel. Let me show you how you can do it on your Samsung device. First, you install the Good Look application in your Samsung device. If you don't know how to install Good Look application in your Samsung device, then you watch our video in this video description box. And then open Good Look application on your device. Then tap on Life Up, and then find out Sound Assistant app, then installed on your Samsung device, then open the apps. Then tap on Make Your Own Volume Panel Colors. Then choose Lighting Effect. Then choose a texture. Then choose control type. Then choose shape volume.